Hey everybody! So today on Tracie Reed Designs, I am going to be using Colour Arte primary elements again. I had been experimenting with them last week in Dutch pours, but now that I'm doing my cloud effect pours, I cannot wait to see how they react with my cloud effect mix. I have a ton of leftover colors, so I am super excited to see my results, and I am just going to go ahead and jump in and get started. Okay everybody, so I am working on a 14 by 14 canvas today, and I have a bunch of Colour Arte colors. These were from some of my experimentation, so I've got like the rainbow of colors. So I thought I would do a rainbow with some cloud effect. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the colors in the cup. Hey everybody, so the painting is all dry and it is quite interesting. I did lose a lot of the, or all of the bright pink that was in the middle, but I really like it. It's got some cool detail in the middle. It looks like an aerial shot of an island. It's pretty awesome. It dried really nice and shiny, and overall I'm pretty happy with it. My cloud effect mix, I knew right away was heavier, thicker than the other paints, so I think maybe that could be why I got these really cool, like, weird cloud effect in the middle instead of the poofy that I normally get. So I want to do it again, but make sure that my white is the same consistency as the Colour Arte pigments. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to share this video as well. Go check out my Instagram. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.